Good morning, class. I hope you are fine. Today, we are going to see in the SQL about aggregate functions and about the group by class. So, aggregate functions we have a average. If we want to find the average, then we have to use the average functions. We have a minimum functions to find the minimum, and we have a maximum. These minimum and maximum functions, they both are working with a number value also, and it also work with a date. So if we are using the maximum functions for the date, so it may take the value which is the latest date. That means if suppose we have a date like that, 12 January, 13 January, 14 January. So if we will use the maximum, so it will take the last date, that one is the 14 January. If it is a year also 98, 99, 2022, so maximum it will take the what? 2022. If we are talking about the minimum, so minimum means the oldest date it may take if we are using for the date and time. And if we are using for the minimum for the number values, so it will take the minimum values as you know, and maximum. Same like that, we have a count functions. If we want to count about the total number of rows, total number of columns, like that, so we have to use the count. Same as it is if we have a sum functions. So if we want to add all the values, then we have a sum functions. So one by one I will show all the examples. Come, we will see. First of all, I will do work here one by one. MySQL open. Here I will use the password. Oh, sorry, I think password is wrong. Okay. First of all, I will create one database. So create database school. Then I will use the database school. So use school here. Then after here, I will create one table. Create table student. In that I will keep some field that you all know that. First I will take a student ID. It is an integer and it is of primary key. Then I have a student f name. It is of varchar and we are taking here 30. Then a student l name. Then we have a varchar and it is of 30. Then we have a student class. It is also of varchar of 10 character maximum. Then we have a student stream and this is also of varchar 20. And then we have a student fees. I will do all the works here in this table. Then come. Now we have to see the structure of the table, so I will write here describe student. So look here, structure scheme. Now in that structure we have to insert some value. So insert into student value is equal to, first one is a 100, then comma we have a name. So name, let me to take, okay, I will take Kritika Singh. And then after she is in a 12th class. Then after I will take she is from the math stream and she has submitted the fees 14 like that, 4300. One more I will take here, 101, name is Ayush Singh. Same thing, and he has submitted the fees 4400. 2 records inserted. Okay, come to take one more. We have one more, Sanjeev Singh. He is also in the 12th class. He is also of math. He has also submitted 4500. Okay. Okay. Now again I will write this query. We have a 103 and the name is Archit Agarwal. And he also studying 12th class, and the fees he has submitted 4200. Then one more record I will insert here, 104, name is Abhinav Srivastava. Twelfth and stream is bio. Stream is bio. And fees is 3600. It is integer value, so I will not disclose into any single quotes or double quotes. Then one more record I will insert, 105. I will insert here 105, name is Priya Yadav. And she has submitted 3700. One more record let insert, 106, name is Anushka Gupta. She also belongs to bio and she has submitted this much fees. Okay, now come here, select asterisk from student. So we will get all the records. Look here. If we want to see what is the minimum fees that student has submitted, then I will write here select minimum, and here what, student fees. From where? From the student. Look here, the minimum fees 3600 student has submitted. Okay, then if we want to see, select what is the maximum fees student has submitted, so I will use here max. Then in the bracket we will write the name of the column that contains the values, and from where? From the student. Okay, if we want to see what both together, what are the minimum and maximum fees student have submitted, so I will write here select minimum student fees, comma maximum student fees. From where? From the student. So look here, if you want to find out what are the average fees that student has submitted, so this one. If you want to find out, look here, if we want to find out, select average fees. So what will write average and the name of column. So average fees from where? From the student. If we want to find out what are the total fees student has submitted, so we have to use the sum function. Student fees from where? From the student. So look here, if you want to see all the details, I want to see what is the minimum fees, what is the maximum fees, what is the average fees, what is the total fees submitted by the student. So we have to write all aggregate functions. First I will write minimum student fees, comma, we will write here maximum student fees, comma, I will write here average functions student fees, comma, I will write a total student fees. From where? From the student. So look here, We got all this. Now my dear students, look here. Select stick from the where? From the student. They are the what? Stream, math stream and bio streams. If we are going to work on the table in such a way that we need to divide the table into two groups. I want to divide the table on the basis of stream. The math stream, it is divided, and the bios. If the queries are like that, we have to find what are the minimum and maximum fees submitted by the math stream student, what is the minimum and maximum fees submitted by the bio what stream students, then what we will do. If we will write here is equal to math, then we will find out, then we have to write two different queries. What we have to write? Select minimum student fees, comma, maximum student fees from student, and then we will put the clause where student stream is equal to what? Math. Achha, sorry, stream spelling I have written wrong, so no problem. Look here. And then again I will write a different queries. What is the bio? So these two different queries we have to write, but this is very difficult task. 2 times I will execute. I want I may use one query and we will get the minimum and maximum fees submitted by the following streams. So my dear students, the topic we are going to discuss, it is a what? I will open here notepad, and the topic is about group by. This clause allow you to divide the table into many group on the basis of any particular columns. Clear? So what is the syntax? Syntax is what? Select whatever we suppose minimum student fees, and here minimum, then column name, from student, and then we will write here group by column name. In this one we have passed the two column name, one from this is a different column name from where we have to get the numeric values, and this one on the basis of that we are going to divide the table into the following groups. So look here in this table, this is a table. We are going to find out the minimum and maximum fees submitted by math and bio. So what is the column name? Student stream. So here what we will write? Select asterisk from, select minimum student fees from where? From the table student, and then we will make it group by student stream. Look here, two streams, but here only it is showing. So do one more thing, display the stream also. Now look here, bio, if it is a bio, look here in the bio what is the minimum fees? 3600, and in the math what is the minimum fees? 4200. Clear? Okay, sometimes we need to find display the total number of student in each stream. If we are going to display the total number of student in each stream, in that case what we will write the query? Select count asterisk from where? From the student, and what? Do one more thing, comma stream. Do the stream also. Stream from where? from the student, and then write down here group by student stream. Sorry, oh, I have written froms, sorry. Now look here, in the bio 3 students are there, in the math 4 students are there. Come, we will verify. 1 2 3 4 4 student of math, 1 2 3 student of this one. So if you are going to find out the output of the tables in a such a way, so the group by clause is very helpful. It may display the records on the basis of the group. Suppose I want to count ki how many students are in a different titles. So what will I do here? Look here, select count asterisk comma, I will write here student last name. From where? From the student, and then we will write here group by student error name. So look here, we have one student Agarwal, one student Gupta, 3 student of Singh, one student is Srivastava, one student is Yadav. Sometimes we need to place the condition also in a group कि I want to show the frequency of such students in that more than one student belongs. Then what we will do? Group by st name, stl name, and then the condition we will place by the having clause again, and we will write here condition ki having count st greater than 1. Now look here, it will display only one records. So thank you class, I hope you have understand these all things. I will make the PDF and I will send you. You may note down in your copies, and please look these all very carefully. It is very important part of the SQL. The questions, it may arise from the group by. In the every year they have asked 1 or 2 questions based on the group. So thank you class, I hope you have understand this all. If you have any doubt, already the school has shared teachers contact number, and you have already, this is a public platform, I can't share my number. So please contact me if you have any problem. Thank you.